The person is talking about hate against non-believers, and that he continues to say that this land or this earth belongs to Allah's people, and everybody else needs to be eliminated. In December 2018, this Zahran Maulavi was identified as the mentor who basically radicalized some of these youth who destroyed Buddhist statues in a town called Mavan. We went to the authorities with evidence that this guy has been the mentor and asked the authorities to take action to arrest him.
I condemn to the utmost of my capacity this act that has caused so much of death and suffering to the people. I ask all our Sri Lankan people not to take the law into their own hands and to maintain peace and harmony in this country. So it's a very, very sad day for all of us.